All right, so I just received this in the mail. It's a Windshield Sunshade, Make Your Life Simpler. It's by this company, Vic Seed. That's their logo. And this is the information on the back of it. I do believe this is probably from China. Yes, there it is. It is from China. And there's the QR code, made in China. This one's silver. So let's go ahead and let's open it up and see what we got here. Check this out. This thing is pretty cool because it's super small, right? And look, it comes with this little explainer thing here, and it's got like it opens up like a umbrella. Check it out. So we're gonna try this out in the car and see how it works. But you can put it on your vent, it looks like. So we're gonna have to figure this out. All right, it's got a 12-month warranty. All right, so here she is. And it's basically, it's like an umbrella, to tell you the truth. And I'm gonna probably have to set this up and open it up for you guys so you can check it out. Okay, so just so you can see it from a better point of view, you pull it out of its sheath. We'll just set it there. Take the Velcro off. And then, just like an umbrella, pops out. This top part here goes for around your mirror. So your mirror is going to be here, right? And all these go into the corner. And you just got to fit it in there. And it works just like an umbrella. There it is. I don't know if you can see it. It's right here. So it goes like this. See? And bam. Singing in the rain. All right, that's it right there. So this reflects. And you just shove it right in your window, and you're good. Pretty much it. Let's see. I'll put it in this window here. Like that. So I get in the car. There she goes. Not bad, huh? Get a closer look at it. All right, so there we are. It's in the car. This is a Chevy Volt, so it fits the Chevy Volt, I think, better than the actual Impreza. And I've got it in here. And what I did was I bent this so that it would set on there. And you can see that's how it fits. I used my little shades here, and then you can see it's a little bit bigger. You know, my Volt has got a smaller window than the Impreza, but this is basically how it works. And then to get it out of there, I just press that button, I pull it down, and then I've got to get the Velcro off of it, take it off the mirror first, put your windshield visors up like that so it gets out of the way, and then you kind of slide it down. And once you have, you gotta, you know, this I've got to straighten out because I bent it a little bit, but I'll show you here. Hang on. So I bent that, so I just got to bring it back, and then this will pull down. So that's an important aspect of that. If your dashboard's a little tight, you've got the ability to bend the that one piece of the stem, and that's going to give you, yeah. I mean, you can put it back in the sleeve, or you could just leave it like this, you know, and just set it, you know, somewhere. And if I grab the sleeve here, and I can just put it right, I kind of just smush it in there. You know, I'm not trying to be too being judicious on it, but I'm just shoving it in. And yeah, once you get it in there, then you can just store it, you know, under your seat, or you can put it, you know, wherever you want. Just set it down anywhere. So you could just put it like to the side here like that. It doesn't take a lot of room up. Or, you know, you could put it back here in the back. So this one here, look at, here's the difference, right? You either got that much room or you got to have that much room for the sun shield. And these are always a kind of a pain in the butt. These are just as hard to put in as this would be. This is actually probably a little bit easier. So that is the difference right there. You're saving a lot of room. So I think it's a pretty good little product.